Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about Jira. If you ever worked in a tech company or even if you're just learning IT, you have probably heard someone say, just create a Jira ticket, right? And if you're like, okay, but what's Jira like exactly? So don't worry, today I will explain it in a super simple way. So in this video, we are going to answer what is Jira, why do team use Jira, what are the Jira products, and which agile methods Jira supports, like Scrum and Kanban. All right, let's go. So first, what is Jira? Jira is basically a tool where teams track work. That's it. Instead of having tasks everywhere, like in WhatsApp, emails, sticky notes, or random speed sheets, Jira puts everything in one place. So in Jira, you can create things like tasks, bags, tickets, requests, and project work. And you can clearly see what's to do, what's in progress, and what's done. This is super, right? And now the real question is, why do teams actually use Jira? Because when a team grows, things get messy really fast. Imagine 10 people working together. Now imagine 50 people or more, right? So if there is no system, it becomes chaos. So Jira helps teams stay organized, avoid forgetting tasks, assign work to the right person, and track progress without confusing. And honestly, one of the best things about Jira is transparency. If you, even if your team is remote, you can open Jira and instantly understand like what's happening and what people are working on. Good. So next one. Now, this is the part that confuses most beginners because Jira is not just one product. Jira is like a family of tools. Okay, so let's keep it simple. Jira Work Management. This one is for business teams like marketing, HR, operations. And by the way, in the past, that this was called like a Jira Core, okay? And Jira Software. This one is for developers. It's more most common Jira products and it's used for agile project sprints and bug tracking. And then Jira Service Management. This one is for IT support teams and help desk. And in the past, it was also called Jira Service Desk. So everywhere you can see like Jira Service Management or Jira Service Desk is the same thing, okay? Or if you can hear like Jira Core or Jira Work Management, it's also same thing. Like don't worry and keep it up. And then we also have tools for incident response like Organi, the which connect with Jira Service Management. So basically, Jira products cover business work, software, like software delivery, and IT support. Okay. And now let's talk about Agile. Jira is super popular because it supports the two most common Agile methods. The first one is Scrum. Scrum is sprint based. So teams plan work for 1 or 2 weeks or 1 month, and that time period is called sprint. In Jira, Scrum teams usually work with a like backlog, sprint planning, and a sprint board. The second one is Kanban. Kanban is different. Kanban is more like a flow. There is no sprint. The work just moves through stage like to do, in progress, on hold, or done. So, quick summary: Scrum, Sprint, Kanban is continuous workflow, and Jira supports both of them. All right, that's Jira in a simple way. Jira helps team track work. It keeps everything organized. It has different products for different teams, and it supports Scrum and Kanban. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.